Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be revealing to you the newest edits from Cult Beauty, the hair edits. This time Cult Beauty came out with 3 edits at once, each of these boxes targeting a specific concern when it comes to your hair care routine. So we've got the repair edit, the curl edit, and the volume edit. I will share with you each product in each box, how much the true value is, and how much you're going to be buying it for. So if you want to see that, stay tuned. But before I get into all the details, if you love all things skincare, make sure you subscribe because that's all we do on this channel. Now let's go ahead and get into today's reveal. The 3 boxes retail for the same price, which is £30, but Cult Beauty claims that the value of this box is more than £99. We're going to get into this in a little bit because I did my own calculation. It is true and not true at the same time. Each box is a mix of full sizes, travel sizes, and deluxe sizes, and some of these products are common among the 3 boxes. I believe around 4 or 5 of them are the same in each box, then the rest is different. So let's talk about the first box. It's called the Repair Edit and it features 9 products and it claims to rejuvenate damaged hair and add nourishment to your daily routine. Let's look at the products inside. The first product is a full size and it's the Amika Brooklyn Bombshell Blowout Volume Spray. It's a 200 ml and it's worth £20. Never tried anything from the brand. No, actually I did. I tried one hair treatment which I thought was okay. It wasn't anything special. But funny we're getting a volume product, but this is the repair edit. Anyway, second product is also a full size and it is by the INKEY list and it's the Caffeine Scalp Treatment. I have this, I have used it, honestly didn't do much for my hair, but it's worth $14.99, so around £15. Already, you know, the total of these 2 full sizes is £35, so you've already crossed the amount of money you're paying to get this box. The third product in this box is a travel size and it's the Virtue One for All 6-in-1 Styler. This specific size retails for £17 and it is 60 ml. I have used this in the past. I do like it a lot. And Virtue is an expensive brand, so it's really nice to see brands like this in these boxes. Next we have 2 travel sizes. It is the Restore Shampoo and Conditioner by Living Proof. So each is 60 ml and each of them retails for £10. Then we have a product from OLAPLEX. We are getting a deluxe sample size of their newest launch, their number 8 Bond Intense Moisture Serum. 20 ml. It's a value of £5.2. This is the newest launch from OLAPLEX. It does have great reviews, so it would be nice to try it out this way. Next product is by the brand OUAI and it is also a deluxe sample size. We're getting the hair oil. It's the size of 5 ml and it's a value of £2.66. I heard great things about this hair oil and I heard that it smells amazing. Next product is a full size and it's by the brand Davines. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. The Renaissance Circle. We're getting 50 ml and it's a value of £9.5. This is, I believe, essentially like a very heavy, restorative, moisturizing hair mask. Excited to try it out. Never tried anything from the brand. And the final product is a pair of scrunchies called Sprunchie Slim from Invisibobble, which retail for £10. So what do we think of this box? I think it's nice. I did the calculation. It is worth around £99, so exactly as Cult Beauty claims. It features quite a nice array of products and you know it is heavily discounted, so I think if you like 3 or 4 of these products then it's definitely worth it to buy it, and to me this is a kit I might actually purchase. Let's move on to the next kit. The next kit is called the Volume Edit. A lot of the products in this kit are very similar to the first kit, but also we do have some that are a little bit different. Again, it features 9 products. Some of them are full sizes, deluxe, and travel sizes. So Cult Beauty says that this kit is supposed to help you achieve your dreams of a big, bouncy, and voluminous hair. The first product is the same as the repair kit and it is the Amika Brooklyn Bombshell Blowout Volume Spray. It does make sense, it's a volume spray, it's supposed to give you volume and it retails for £20. Next up, again, same product as the first one, the full size INKEY Caffeine Scalp Treatment, 50 ml. Number 3 on the list is also the travel size Virtue 1 for All 6-in-1 Styler, which is 60 ml and retails for 17 pounds. Product number 4 and 5 are also the shampoo and conditioner by Living Proof, but it's from a different line. It's their full line and it targets volume. Then we have the same thing, the OLAPLEX number 8, the OUAI HAIRCARE Hair Oil. And what is different here, we have Deluxe Herbivore Seamless Texturizing Salt Spray in Coconut, which retails for 10 pounds, but I'm not sure how different this is from the Amika Volume Spray. I mean, that one is a blow-dry spray, and this is just a volume spray, but I think you would use them almost in the same step, but I could be wrong, I don't know. And the final product in this box is also the pair of scrunchies from Invisibobble, which are the same as the repair kit. So you can see they are very similar, just few products are a little bit different. I also did the math for this kit and it is worth around 99 pounds, just as Cult Beauty claims. Onto the final kit, and this is called the Curl Edit. Again, Cult Beauty claims that this is worth above 99 pounds. And it's a 65% saving, and you buy it only for 30 pounds. However, this one doesn't feature 9 products, it actually features 8 products. And Cult Beauty claims that this curl edit is supposed to enhance and nourish your waves, curls, or coils. The first product in this box is by the brand Amika, but it's a different one from the other 2 boxes. It is a full size and it's called the Amika Curl Corpse Defining Cream. We're getting 200 ml and it retails for 20 pounds. This is a cream that's supposed to help you define your curls a little bit more. And yeah, it makes sense in this box. Second full size is also the INKEY Caffeine Scalp Treatment, 50 ml. We're also getting the styler from Virtue, which is a travel size and it's called 6-in-1 Styler. We're also getting a shampoo and conditioner by Living Proof, but this time it's called the Curl Shampoo and the Curl Conditioner, and each retails for 10 pounds. This also includes the OLAPLEX number 8 hair serum. It's also got the OUAI Hair Oil and the pair of scrunchies by Invisibobble. So as you can see, this is very similar to the other 2 boxes. However, it is missing 1 extra product. I mean, the other 2 have 9 products and this has only 8. And only 2 products are really specific to curly hair, which is the conditioner and shampoo by Living Proof and the Amika Defining Cream. And upon doing the math, since this has 1 product less, this is actually worth around 90 pounds and not really 99 pounds. But you're paying exactly the same amount of 30 pounds, which what you would pay for the repair kit or the volume kit. So I'm not sure if they forgot to add 1 more product or it's just the way it is, but for sure it's not worth 99 pounds. I personally am not very excited about these edits just because, I don't know, I was just underwhelmed, maybe because they all feature almost the same product, just a few variations. But I don't know, I'm not currently looking for any hair products. I have a lot that I need to use and I might end up picking either the volume edit or the repair edit. I'm not gonna pick up the curl edit. I do have naturally wavy hair, but I have done keratin treatment on my hair, so it's not gonna help me at all. But I think it's important to note that these edits are a little bit cheaper than their previous edits. I think the previous edits were retailing around 39 pounds or 37 pounds, whereas this one is only 30 pounds. So yeah, it's not as exciting as previous edits, but it is also cheaper. And I think if you're somebody on your hair journey trying to find products that work for your hair, this type of edits would definitely be great for you. But for me, I was a little bit underwhelmed, but I might end up picking one, as I already said. I'm not sure when these will go live, but you can go on Cult Beauty's website and join the waitlist. And once they release them, they will send you an email and you can purchase it this way. And yeah, that brings me to the end of today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I have a playlist of different edits from Cult Beauty. If you want to check them out, I will leave a link to it in my description box and in the eye above. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for my future content, and I shall see you in my next one. Bye guys!